Okay guys, this is Madhav PVL, and today we are going to discuss about the conversion of an infix expression to postfix along with this code evaluation. So before getting into the topic, let me just consider this expression, and now my main task is to just convert this into postfix expression. So roughly, if we need to just convert this into a postfix expression, then this is just for the verification purpose, okay? So in an exam, we won't get exactly like this equation. So we may also get like this, like a plus b, and then c minus d. We may also get an equation like this. So we may also get an equation like this. So we need to just convert this equation to our comfortable place. So like this, we need to just put some brackets here, and we also need to put some brackets here, and we need to just make it like this, which feels so comfortable to us. And the normal method for just this is not a method, as I said before, this is just for the verification purpose. So for our emergency, we can just consider like this for postfix expression. As we had as multiplication is in the middle, we need to just place it to the outermost bracket, and this is for this. So let me just explain this arrow marks. As we can see here, a plus b, so the places in between two operands which are in one bracket. So that plus is belonging to only those two operands. So that plus will be noted towards that closing bracket. And that multiplication belongs to this both operands, that is a plus b and c minus d. So that is noted to that closing bracket. And then subtraction is for this bracket. So now we can just write a normal form of a postfix expression just like this, CD minus star. I think this is the postfix expression. If we just try to write this in a normal way without any proper methodology, we can just write it here. But now this is not possible. We need to just perform some activities to just get this postfix expression. Like we need to just place this starting brackets into the stack, and then operands directly push towards to the output, and then operand should be present in the middle, and then it should be like that. We need to just follow some basic rules to just complete this postfix expression. So let me just perform a simple the simple whole method for you for just for the observation, and then we will just discuss about the code. So now we need to just perform one simple thing like, so let me just reduce the size. Symbol or letter, this is symbol or letter, and this is stack position, and this is output. uh, Output is nothing but postfix. So this is postfix expression, and this is stack. So now let us just consider from this expression. So now we need to just take this opening bracket from here, right? So first we need to consider this opening bracket. Now let me just put this in this symbol one. And now as it is not a character or an operand or a number, we need to just push that into the stack. So after pushing this into the stack, now let's just get into this next element. That is another open bracket. So we need to just place this another open bracket in this symbol. Uh, 1 second. So now we in this stack position, we will get two open brackets, and then output will not be anything. So output will remain the normally. And then now it's time for A, and then the stack consists of this two things. But in the output, we will just get A because A is an operand, that is a character. And now plus. So plus will just remain in this thing, So let me just write for plus open bracket and then open bracket. So A will remain same there. And then now B. So B is plus open bracket. And then now this will become A and then B. And then now we are just coming with our closing bracket. So here plays a crucial role. So now after placing this closed bracket, we need to perform a simple thing, that is plus open open. Now A B. So after placing this closed bracket, we need to just stop for a while. We need to just stop tracing this expression. Now what we need to just do is, so the operand which is in between this open and closing bracket should be popped out to the postfix expression. That is, here we can just see like uh, in between this open bracket, in between this closed bracket and open bracket, we have a plus operand. So we need to just push that towards A. So we need to just push that towards A and we need to just place it here. So let me just write this in another step. So this is closing plus open, open, yeah. Now the output is AB. Now, as I had said before, we need to just pop the element in between the open bracket and closed bracket. So the element, so the operand in between this open and closed is plus. So I am just popping it out to this output, that is postfix expression. And then and then we need to just remove the thing which we had done here. So now we are remaining with this open bracket. So now let me just bring it to this upwards. Now the one of its closed bracket is completed, and then now star. So as star should be placed here. So star and then open bracket, and the output expression is AB plus. And after star, that is open bracket. So open bracket should be placed here. Open bracket star, open bracket star, and then open bracket. So it should be formed like this, and the output will remain same. So now C will be placed here. Now open bracket star, open bracket, and then C will be to this position. Now minus will be in this place. So now the stack is open star open, and then the postfix expression is like this. After minus, that is D. So D will be directly posted out towards the postfix expression. So A, B plus C, D. And then now another closing bracket. So with this closing bracket, we can just do like this: minus open bracket star open bracket, and then the output is AB plus CD. Now again we got a closed bracket. So again we need to just perform a simple operation like the element in between this open and closed bracket should be popped out to the output, right? So now I am doing the same thing here. Now I am just directly doing this as I had just done this with an extra step in the before closing bracket. So let me just write the minus symbol here, and then we need to just remove this thing. Now we are remaining with star and this open bracket, star in the open bracket, and then now we are getting with another closed bracket. So after getting this another closed bracket, so close it, star and then open. So now finally we are just performing this AB plus CD minus star. Yeah, now our task is completed after removing this, as we had done with this open and close it. So let me just copy this. So now we can see as to verify whether our execution is correct or wrong, we can just check with this normal method. So this is a basic execution of an infix to postfix expression with the help of stack. So let us just get into the code. So let us just get into the code. Now I had just copied the code in this notepad. So basically, we need to just remember one thing. So this whole thing will just depend upon this precedence. So what is meant by precedent? That is, so for the case of plus and minus, we need to just return the value as 1. And for the case of multiplication and division, we need to return 2. And for the case of power, we need to return the 3. And for the remaining ones, it is minus 1. So this is the precedence. So precedence is nothing but the order or the range of a particular operator is known as a precedence. So basically class test into precedence char ch. So for ch is it is nothing but the element which we are just getting from the scan. So string infix to postfix string expression. So result is equal to new string. This is a generic. And for int I is equal to 0 for from the starting element till the exp dot length, till the last element of this expression, we need to just take the value, and after incrementing we need to just take the value of the I. So char c is equal to exp dot caret I. So we are just saving this character at a char c. So if character dot is letter or digit c, so whether it is letter or a digit, so if it is a letter or a digit, so we need to just post it to its postfix expression. We need to just bring back to its, like we need to just print that element to its postfix expression. So else if it is an open bracket, we need to just push it to the stack. As we had said before, if it is an so if it is an alphabet or a number, we need to just put it to its output, that is a postfix expression. If it is an operand, we need to just push it to the stack, or if it is an open symbol, we need to just push it to the stack. So in this method, we need to just perform this. We need to push it to the stack, or else if it is a closed symbol, then while stack dot is empty double equal to false. As if it is a closed symbol, we need to just perform a pop operation to the stack, as we had discussed it before. So now if we are getting a closed, then we need to just bring out the operator which is in between this closed and the open. As we can see here, we need to just bring out this operand which is in between this closed and open bracket. So with this, we need to just check whether the stack is empty. So if stack is empty, we can't just perform this. So the stack empty should be false, and then stack dot peak not equal to open bracket. So if stack dot peak is equal to open bracket, then it is meaningless. So we need to just perform this if the stack dot peak is only this closed bracket. So if the stack dot peak is only closed bracket, then we can just perform this operation. Otherwise, we can't just pop out the element in between these open and closed bracket. So it shouldn't be open bracket. So if this both conditions are true, so then result plus is equal to stack dot pop. We need to just pop out the element which is in this stack in between these open and closed bracket. So basically, stack dot pop, we need to just perform the stack dot pop, and then while stack dot is empty double equal to false, uh, while stack dot is empty double equal to false, and precedence of c is less than that of precedence of stack dot peak. So that is nothing but we need to just check the precedence of these things. So if we are just getting these elements side by side, then the element which is having a more precedence will be popped out first, and then the second one will be popped out second. So we need to just remember this one thing so that it would be very much easier. So if it is having a more precedence, then that will be popped out first, and then if it is having a less precedence, then it will be popped out at last. So result plus is equal to stack dot pop and stack dot push of c. Again, we need to just push that same element into the stack, while stack dot is empty. Stack dot peak is open bracket, then it is an invalid expression. So we shouldn't just do like this. So this is an invalid expression thing. So if it is containing only these open brackets and it is not containing any operands, then it is an invalid expression. So this is the main function. Like we need to just involve a scanner expression, and we need to just enter this expression, and we need to just print out the infix to postfix expression. That is, we need to just bring it here, and the expression we will get through this return value and the string exp we need to just print out here. So this is system.out.println. So this whole code and that paint thing will be in my description. So thank you for watching, guys.